Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 1st, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I called the Dow up for today, and technically am correct. The Dow ended up closing up 18 points. However, as you can see here, it sold off really hard at the beginning of the day, and it was negative most of the day. But what I like about this pattern is it came back pretty strong, and then it ended up closing right on its high on the close today. So with a close like that, I definitely will have to again call it up for tomorrow on Friday. Today started out kind of bad, and then it got good. We actually ended up having a decent day today. We had positive a few $100s yesterday on the close, and we actually ended up closing out negative $500, but that doesn't amount to anything. What was good is that we got into 6 new positions today, and all 6 of those were positive. It's and when you get everything positive, you can kind of rack up some profits pretty quickly. We're carrying over $10,000 in open trade equity positive going into tomorrow. So right now, that looks really good, and I'm pretty happy about today because we've had a string of kind of bad days recently, and it was nice to kind of snap out of this and see things moving better in our direction. I'll show you just a couple of the good trades we had today. This first one is JNUG. That is gold, leveraged gold, and it opened lower this morning, but then popped up here pretty strong. We bought this, the first hour. It kept going and ended up closing pretty close to its high. We are holding $3,000 open trade in JNUG. That looks really, really good. And this was the big one. It was a big surprise today. It was a little bit disappointing toward the close, but this is AQXP, Aquinox Pharmaceuticals. Boy, this has been a good stock for us. I mean, it just, I don't know, it just has been pretty well behaved, even though, as I say, it was a little disappointing today. We bought this first hour, just like we did with gold today, got into this, and look at this, this thing just screamed. And when it was up here, we're at or pretty close to $10,000 on this thing. Unfortunately, you can see it retraced, came back quite a bit on the close, but we're still holding over $5,000 in open trade on that. So let's just hope that this will pop up again tomorrow for us to get out of it, and maybe get up here in the $8,000-9,000 range again for our exit. But we'll take $5,000 open trade anyway, anytime. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Friday.